Are you tired of the plain look of Discord and want to take your experience to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install Better Discord on your PC. Better Discord allows you to customize your Discord with themes, plugins, and so much more. Stick around because I'll make this process super simple, and by the end, you'll be enjoying a completely customized Discord interface. Let's get started. Will I get banned for using Better Discord? Using Better Discord is technically against Discord's terms of service. However, bans for using it are rare, and as long as you're not using malicious plugins or breaking Discord's rules, you should be fine. The first step in installing Better Discord is downloading the installer. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this process step by step. There are two easy ways to get the Better Discord installer. First, you can use the direct download link that I've conveniently provided in the video description below. Simply click on the link and it will take you straight to the official website. Alternatively, if you'd rather search for it yourself, open up your favorite browser and type in Better Discord in the search bar. Once you land on the official Better Discord website, you'll immediately notice a large download button prominently displayed on the homepage. This is the button you'll need to click to grab the latest version of the installer. Pro tip: it's incredibly important to make sure you're downloading Better Discord from the official website. While there may be other sources claiming to offer the installer, downloading it from unverified sites can expose you to security risks like malware or corrupted files. Staying on the official website ensures you're getting a safe and legitimate copy of the installer. After you click the download button, your browser will begin downloading the file. By default, this file will likely save to your downloads folder. Now that you've downloaded the installer, let's walk through the setup process step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Head to your downloads folder where the installer file should be saved. Once you've found the file, double-click on it to launch the installer. This will open the setup wizard. The first screen you'll see is the license agreement. To proceed, check the box to accept the terms. Then click Next to move forward. Next, you'll see a list of options. From these, select the Install Better Discord option and click Next to proceed. The installer will now prompt you to select the version of Discord you're using. For most users, this will be the standard Discord version. Highlight it, and then click Install to begin the process. The installer will now do its job, setting up Better Discord on your PC. This may take a few moments, so be patient while the progress bar fills up. Once the installation is complete, a confirmation screen will appear. Simply click Close to exit the installer, and that's it. Better Discord is now successfully installed on your system. After completing the installation, it's time to open Discord and check if everything is set up properly. Here's what to look for. Open the Discord application on your PC as you normally would. Once Discord is up and running, head over to your user settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the app. Scroll through the menu on the left-hand side and you should see a new section labeled Better Discord Settings. This confirms that Better Discord has been successfully installed. By default, Better Discord comes with some core features enabled, but this is where the fun begins. You can now access additional customization options, such as themes, plugins, and other settings to personalize your Discord experience. If you're eager to get started, begin by exploring the themes and plugins sections. From here, you can browse, install, and activate themes to give Discord a fresh new look, or plugins to unlock additional functionality. Is Better Discord safe? Yes, Better Discord is generally safe to use as long as you download it from the official website. It's important to understand that Better Discord is a third-party modification, meaning it's not officially supported by Discord. However, millions of users trust it to enhance their experience. To stay safe, make sure you only download themes and plugins from trusted sources to avoid malicious files. Using Better Discord responsibly and sticking to well-known repositories will help ensure a smooth and secure experience. While there's a small chance it could violate Discord's terms of service, many users never encounter issues when using it carefully. If you want to learn how to install custom themes or plugins in more detail, check out the other videos linked on my channel or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and happy customizing!